Hey, what's up guys, I'm back with another video. It's time to do unbox the Vivo Y05 guys, and this is a new budget phone that we have from Vivo. So this phone is costing around only 34,000 PKR here in the Pakistan market. So in this price range we have 4 GB of RAM with a 64 GB of internal storage, and the color I have is the platinum color. We also have a 6500 mAh battery size. Also we have IP65 water and dust resistance, and on the front we also have a 1200 nits of high brightness eye care display. We also have 120 Hz refresh rate as well. So very excited to see what is Vivo Y05 has you offer. Remove the plastic with one knife. Let's unbox this Vivo Y05. So on this side, as you can see, looks like we have three colors for the Vivo Y05. Looks like I have this color, which is a platinum. So open this box. On the top we have our device, Vivo Y05. So now let's start the phone from this box, and as you can see, here is the platinum color looks like. So on the back we have a matte finish, although the back it is made up of plastic. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. Now let's see what else we get other than the phone. So below there, here is our soft silicone case, which is a transparent one. Also we have our quick start guide, warranty card stuff, and here is the charger. So we have 15-watt adapter inside the box, and also we have our USB Type-C to USB-A cable in the box, and lastly we have our SIM injection tool in the box. And guys, now let's see the physical overview. So on the bottom we have our USB-C port, main microphone, headphone jack. So on the left hand side we have our SIM tray. On the top we have our speaker. So looks like we have a single speaker. So on the right hand side, volume up and volume down rocker with a power on button, it is on the right hand side. Also on the back looks like we have a dual cameras on the back, and the main sensor on the back it is a 8 megapixel. Now on the front we have 5 megapixel selfie camera, and also in this phone is powered by Unisoc T7 the 225 SoC, which is based on 12 nanometer architecture. Now let's talk about the display. So on the front we have a 6.7 inch IPS LCD display. Also we have 120 Hz refresh rate. Also we have a U-shaped notch on the top. Overall the colors of the display looks really decent. Also this phone has a Origin OS, so this is the cheapest Vivo phone that has a Origin OS. Now let's quickly set up this phone up and then we will continue. And guys, now let's see the SIM tray on the Vivo Y05. So you can see we have a triple slot, so you can use one micro SD card as well as a 2 nano SIMs, all the things at the same time. Rubber gasket also here. We have IP65 water and dust resistance. So here's the first boot of the Vivo Y05. We also have a fingerprint scanner inside the power button, so which is a really good thing. So here all the pre-installed apps. So looks like we have a lot of bloatware which is already installed, as you can see. And here's the notification panel looks like. And now let's see the Android version. So about phone. So this phone is running on Android 16. Also we have Origin OS version 6. We have a 64 GB of internal storage out of 41.27 GB it is available for you guys. And now let's see the max brightness. We have 1200 nits of brightness, and the display I would say looks really bright even in this lighting condition. Fingerprint scanner it is works absolutely fast. Also we have Unisoc SoC, you can see, and the phone it is, we have a stutter inside the app drawer even. So this Unisoc SoC is the weakest point of this Vivo Y05. So inside the display refresh rate, inside the screen refresh rate, so you can see on default it is on the smart, but if you want a little more stable smoothness in terms of the UI wise, and I don't recommend the 120 Hz, but you can use the 90 Hz, but I will leave that on the 120 Hz for this sake of video. And 120 Hz, as you can see, it is not really smooth. Even the app drawer it is not the smoothest, I would say. Let's look at the camera. So this phone has a 8 megapixel main camera on the back, and 8 megapixel I would say it is below average looks like. Let's see the result. And the picture I would say it is not the greatest. Here's the video mode, and the back camera maximum shoot only full HD at 30 fps. Here's a night mode, here is the portrait mode. And let's see the front facing camera. So on the front we only have 5 megapixel selfie camera. Here's the portrait, and here's the night. Here's the video mode, and the front camera also shoot only full HD at 30 fps. So inside the mode section we also have our panorama document modes also available, and with the back camera we don't have a lot of modes, like we don't have any slow motion, we don't have dual view video mode, but at least we have our pro mode. So now let's talk about the battery size. Again, this phone has 6500 mAh battery size. Also we have 15-watt fast charging, not a super fast charging. So I would say this one should give you at least 1.5 day of battery life on heavy use without any problem, because the Unisoc SoC, it is based on 12 nanometers, so it is not really efficient, I would say. And over I have to say regarding the Vivo Y05, except the processor of this Vivo Y05, the cameras, I would say it is also below average, I would say, and processor and the cameras, it is slightly weak than average. But overall I'm really liking the design language, and the battery size, it is also really huge, so you will not see any issue at all. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Vivo Y05. And do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.